Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tasty Explorations 2026. It's January, and I hope you all had a wonderful end of the year, and you're excited to start a new year, because that means new cookbooks. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Angie from the Milton Public Library, and I'm super excited to show you this month's book. It is called Soup Club. 80 Cozy Recipes for Creative Plant-Based Soups and Stews to Share by Caroline Wright. This book is really quite special. Caroline Wright, the author, she was actually diagnosed with a brain tumor over 5 years ago, and she started what turned into a soup club because she had asked her friends and relatives to bring her soup when she was trying to recover from her cancer treatments, and it turned into this way for the community and her family to show love and support by making all different kinds of soup. And she's now known as the Soup Queen of Seattle, so she's from Seattle, Washington, and she has several cookbooks out there and a online presence as well, so you can look her up. But this book is really what came out of that community feeling of love and this love for cooking and for soup. And so it's really great little cookbook. The recipes seem very nourishing and, as I said in the subtitle, plant-based. So not a lot of meat here, which is okay, you know. I like the cookbook in that it's very simple, but it also has these really gorgeous little watercolor paintings of all the different soups. So a friend of Caroline actually made an illustration for each of the soups in this book, which I find as an artist very, very satisfying and fun. So the recipe that I chose out of the book today is, let me find it here, is known as Teddy's Black Bean Soup. Carolyn has a son named Theodore, so of course I have a son named Theodore, and I need to make the black bean soup just because we like black beans. And it's been cooking for over an hour in my Dutch oven, and it smells amazing. I love the smell of a recipe before I love the taste. So if I can have that aroma in my home when I'm making something delicious, it really gets me excited about then tasting it. So I have here a bowl, which is going to be delicious on a cozy, cold January night, of the black bean soup. Now, it is definitely different kind. I put beans in chili and things, but I've never made a soup that focuses on the beans, so that's interesting to me. She did say you could serve it over rice. That sounds like a really great idea, the way that it smells. It just the fact that it's beans and rice and kind of a little Tex-Mex flair to it, I guess, if you did it that way. It's seasoned with cumin and oregano, so I'm interested to see how it tastes. Lots of garlic too. So let's give it a try. It's not bad. Very warm and a thicker soup because of the beans, but not cream-based, which is kind of nice. A little different. A lot of the soups we make in our family are cream-based, so this is actually really good. I think it would be really tasty over some rice, kind of more like a stew then, but yeah. So overall, this is a really fun book, and if you love soups and you're looking for different ones, I would definitely recommend this. There's some really good ones in here that would be great for summertime or once produce is available more readily, especially if you're growing your own vegetables in a garden. So yeah, different kinds of soups. Love the idea that it's to share the soups with those you love. So if you want to be a part of our Taste Explorations group, all you have to do is contact us at the library and we will get you a copy of the book to check out, and you can try the recipes yourself and let us know what you think about them. Otherwise, I hope everyone is safe and warm and happy, and welcome to the new year. We'll see you soon. Bye!